Welcome to Stunning Suganesh. There are 7 continents in the world. Today we'll discuss about North America. Third largest continent in the world is North America. It is located in the northern and western hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle passes through the North America. There are 23 countries in North America. Canada is the largest country in North America. The country is covering almost half the North American continent's land area. USA is the next largest country in North America. It is slightly smaller than Canada. Saint Kitts and Nevis is the smallest country. This island is located in the Caribbean Sea. Mexico City, which is the capital city of Mexico, is most populated city in North America. This is one of the largest cities in the world. Greenland is an autonomous country within the Kingdom of Denmark. This is also the world's largest island that is not a continent. Greenland is geographically a part of the North American continent, but it has politically and culturally associated with Europe. North America is surrounded by water on its 4 sides. Arctic Ocean on the north, Atlantic Ocean on east, Caribbean Sea on the south, Pacific Ocean on the west. Denali, also called the Mount McKinley, is the tallest mountain in North America, located in the south central Alaska. Mount Logan. Mount Logan is the highest mountain in Canada and the second highest peak in North America. The Mississippi River in United States is the longest river in North America. It is also the fourth longest river in the world. The other longest river in North America, the Missouri River in USA, the Yukon River in Canada. Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus, narrow strip of land connecting two large land areas. The Isthmus of Panama in Panama links the continents of the North and South America. The Panama Canals provides a direct link between the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. Panama is the only place in the world where you can see the sunrise on the Pacific Ocean and set on the Atlantic Ocean. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. The Niagara Falls are made up of three waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, the Horseshoe Falls. Subscribe to Stunning Suganesh. You will never miss any new video from my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.